Hi, what's your name?
Rinse.
Hi, Rance. How old are you?
19 po.
Oh, 19. Good. Okay, so you're in college?
Yes po.
Okay, good.
Which college do you go to? Tabso.
Tabso, Maine?
What
Trasa.
First year? Second. Second year. Herbrunta in first year. Sports training. Herbrunta.
My daughter.
Yeah. She's 19 also. She's doing the science and sports. What is your subject?
What's your course?
Environmental science. Oh, okay.
What's that?
Environmental science.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So, taking care of the planet. We do the biochar composting. Have you heard of that?
But do you know what, Rance? You can take care of the environment, but first take care of yourself.
Yeah, you gotta take care
Because
of
you
yourself.
cannot take care of the environment if you're sick, if you're dead, if you are
So you
fat,
wanna
if you are...
exercise,
Yeah.
meditate, and study. Yeah?
That's the secret.
That's the secret.
Before you get your course, must take care of this body and this mind.
Yes, do you want to try the pins?
You want to try the pins? That's great. With this board, you will pass going there. Yeah, try it. Sa ilalim yan, yung flat. Kick. Yeah, first time you just making used to it, and after that, yeah, you need to do the coordination.
Muscle practice, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Muscle memory. He's just lacking muscle memory.
Yeah, you just need to practice doing that. When you used to it, and your body coordinate, you will do good.
Rinse. Roll over on your back. Hold the board
Float.
here.
Do you know how to float? Do you know how to float? That one will help you.
Kick,
Yeah.
kick, kick.
You can use that in your head. Para hindi ka lumubog. Yeah, use that to your head and then kick. Be careful. There you go.
So when you're back, rinse. When you're back, you kick the same. Kick, kick.
Yeah,
Kick
always
like this.
kick.
Nothing. You gotta kick. Kick the water.
Yeah, not with your knees. Oh, be careful. You're already in the edge. Nasa gilid ka na, anak. Mauntog ka.
That's it. It takes,
Ilang beses na kami nauntog dyan.
it takes practice.
I get very comfortable with that board and that flippers.
Yeah.
It's really helped.
1 month ago, she could not. Now she's a good kicker.
I cannot just go to the pool because I have my period now. Every day we're here. Yeah, just kick. Not with the knees. Be careful with your knees. Ay, mauntog ka na, mauntog! Mauntog! You almost hit. Yeah, I'm filming it. It's okay. This is like a first time I make it, right, baby? Yeah. Straight your legs and then just kick your foot. Yeah. When you do it, just put without a knee. Yung knee, hindi kailangan nakaganyan. Wag.
Now, keep your leg in. Foot.
Straight mo lang anak ang paa, tas yung flippers lang. Yeah.
With the flippers.
Yeah.
Take the flippers off.
Yeah, just the flippers. Even under. Kahit sa ilalim mo lang anak siya sipain.
Take the flippers off. It's easy.
Yeah, but for me, it's more easier have a flippers. Kahit sa ilalim lang.
Coordinated. He's not.
Yeah.
If you're not coordinated, then the
Yan, lagay mo anak sa ulo mo and then float, kick under. Kahit sa ilalim lang anak, wag sa ibabaw. Sa ilalim lang. Yan. Yeah, kick. Just kick. And you will float.
rinse. Rinse. Their feet are like this, they need to be pointed.
Yeah, like this, yung paa nakaganon. Kick. You know what? The muscle here and the muscle here. Kaya marami sa mga swimmer nagka-cramp because they always use this muscle and here. So you need to be like this and like that. Yeah, like that. Yeah, yeah.
Not like this, rinse. This.
Itutuwid mo yung paa.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Like they're kicking the ball.
Kahit sa ilalim ka lang sumipa. Make sure your leg is straight like this. Yeah, practice like that. That's good. Knee is still there.
Rinse. Good. Slow down. I'm gonna slow down. Here, watch.
Actually, you don't need to put above. Just practice under,
Go slow.
slow.
Good shot. Kicking the ball. Like
Yeah, kick like you're kicking a ball.